Gerber Nubio is a special colourless water-based product with a matte rubber effect. It gives the edge great volume and a rounded look. The product has a thinner consistency. This makes it easier to apply the rubber to the edge of the webbing. If you find the gel too thin, pour the needed amount into a small bowl that you will use right away. Let it air out for about 10 minutes at a temperature of 18 degrees Celsius. Higher temperatures make this faster. This will thicken the consistency, making it easier to control during application, and the gel will not drip as much. How to use Gerber Nubio Opaco. First, cut the webbing with a clean edge. You can use craft tool cutting pliers or a punch tool for straps of the desired width and shape. Apply 1 to 3 layers of the rubber to the smooth, clean edge, depending on the desired volume. Let the gel dry after applying each layer. After the Gerber Nubio product is completely dry, apply Angelus acrylic paint. This will create a compact finish that perfectly blends with the colour of the webbing. Sometimes you need to mix 2 shades because neither is a perfect match. Recommended shades can be easily found for each waterproof webbing. For the best result, you can add a drop of duller directly to the paint. The paint will be matte, just like the surface of the webbing. Using Gerber Nubio Opaco will take your products to the highest level of perfection. Do you hear that applause? It's for your perfect edges on waterproof webbing.